to gluten-free, dairy-free family, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Easter popcorn, or anytime popcorn really, full of chocolate, caramel and simple to make. So I've already measured all the ingredients and they're on our website, and the link will be in the bio. First thing we need to do is pop the popcorn. Inside the pan I already have some oil and it's getting hot, so I'm going to throw in a couple of kernels and wait for them to pop. Excellent, they've popped, so let's tip in the rest of the popcorn. Okay, I thought it had finished popping, but one just popped out. Perfectly clean. Okay, so time to put the ingredients in the pan. In this pan I have the chocolate ready and the water, and that will be put on shortly because it has to be melted at the same time as the caramel is ready. And in this pan I'm going to add a pinch of salt, the sugar, 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. The chocolate is on a very low heat and it's just being sat here to melt. This is 10 minutes. It's starting to change colour very gradually. This is 15 minutes and you can smell the caramel now. It takes about 20 minutes in total. I just lifted it off the heat for a bit to keep an eye on it. I'd say that's nearly ready. Tip the chocolate in. Don't worry about getting it all. You want to move fast. And then tip the popcorn in. That's what you want. See the caramel coating the popcorn, and then keep stirring and get the chocolate covering it as well. I think that's pretty well covered. Okay, we need to get it out of the pan before it sets in the pan. Remember, this is really hot. Not something to do with the kids. So what makes this Easter popcorn are these fantastic jelly beans. Closest thing I have when you're gluten and dairy free to Easter eggs. They set really quickly, so you really do need to work hard or quickly at this because let me demonstrate. The sugar is hot, the caramel was hot. Just leave it a while before you serve it to the kids. Here are the finished Easter popcorn baskets. Don't they look delicious? Would you like your popcorn covered in more of the delicious mixture? Then do it. Just don't put it straight into the muffin trays because it will go really hard and you might not be able to bite through it. Instead, mix it up, lay it on a baking sheet and allow it to dry, and then place the mixture into the muffin trays and top with sprinkles or Easter eggs. Have a look on our website. We have a Christmas popcorn. It's flavoured with mint and touched with Christmas sprinkles, holly and snowflakes. For the caramel lovers amongst us, then just mix the popcorn with the caramel. Lay it out onto the baking sheet and allow it to dry. Or sprinkle and drizzle chocolate over the top of it. It's fantastic. Make this recipe your own. Add coconut or nuts or dried fruit or a flavouring of orange, chocolate orange. Yum.
Any tips on how to wash up?
Fill it with water, splash of washing up liquid and put it back on. Heat it up, then it will come out very clean. Subscribe to our channel today because I'm going to be bringing you more recipes and information on how to live a gluten-free and a dairy-free life. Our food can be delicious, and it should be.